Hey! So, today we are making a dish that looks like you are not at home in your kitchen, but somewhere in Italy on a terrace with a sea view. This is fig carpaccio with burrata and arugula. Simple? Yes. Beautiful? So much that you'll want to take photos of your plate longer than you'll actually eat it. Be honest, do you also sometimes think first about how food will look in stories and only then about whether it tastes good? Ingredients: 4–5 fresh figs, 1 bowl of burrata or soft mozzarella ricotta, a handful of arugula, 2–3 tablespoons crushed pistachios, 1–2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, a little honey or balsamic vinegar. Figs have their own story. In ancient Rome, they were considered a symbol of fertility and even used as a talisman for a rich harvest. And there is also a legend that under a fig tree, a relative of this fruit, Romulus and Remus, found shelter with the she-wolf who raised them. So, this fruit is connected not only to food but to entire myths about the birth of cities. Peel the figs, slice them thin. Lay them out on a plate overlapping. Press slightly with the bottom of a glass, and it already looks like restaurant planting. Tear the burrata on top with your hands. Add a handful of arugula. Sprinkle with crushed pistachios. Drizzle with olive oil and add honey or balsamic. Why does this work? Figs are sweet, burrata is soft and creamy, arugula adds bitterness, pistachios bring crunch and nuttiness, and balsamic ties it all together. It's like a good playlist: sweet song, then a groovy beat, then the drop, and you get goosebumps inside. Another fact: burrata is a cheese that was born in Apulia, a region of Italy. It was invented by ancients when they needed to save leftover mozzarella and cream. That's how scarps turned into a cheese that chefs all over the world chase today. So, sometimes the most brilliant things come out of chaos. I wish my kitchen experiments worked the same way. Oops, it failed, and then suddenly it's called a culinary masterpiece. That's it, a simple but stunning dish you can serve for dinner, on a date, or just for yourself. Trust me, your plate will look like an art piece. Subscribe to my page, because there are more recipes coming that look like cinema and sound like music. Okay, I'm off to eat before someone steals my figs and accuses me of culinary blasphemy. See you soon!